All right. I have 2 pounds of shrimp, raw, easy peel, shell on, extra jumbo, 1620. That means in a pound, you will find 16 or 20 shrimp. And there you go. These are deveined. Those are the shells. If I worked in a restaurant, we would use these. I do not. This is my channel. This is garbage. Normally, you take this, throw it in a pot, little water, turn it up, and you make shrimp stock. There is a lot of flavor in that right there. But I'm not a shrimp stock kind of guy, so we're not going to do that. We're going to cut these up, and we'll be right back. All right, 5 shrimp left. These are 1620s. Cutting them up. You want uniform. And there you go. All right, quick pause. All right, we're good to go. We did our broccoli. Now we're doing our shrimps. We don't want that in there. Clean that, clean that. We are doing a light coating of hoisin sauce. I'm sure that Chi would recommend something better. All right, that looks good. We're now going to walk that up real fast. I've been looking forward to it, but this is how we're rolling tonight. All right, shrimp is cooked. Only problem is that juice. It's a lot of juice. There you go. We have our shrimp hoisin sauce juice. We're going to put that aside. Give it a taste. Look. Ooh, yummy. Let's try one of these. Definitely yummy. And we're going to put it away. It's my party and I'll cry if I want to. We'll save the juice. How do you save juice? There's my juice, and we now have a container. And over here, we have to let this cool down because this is yummy. Amazing. Why have I not ever walked into anywhere and eaten that? That is shrimp hoisin. When God comes to hang out with man, that's what he wants. Love you.